The tiger belongs to the cat family. Tiger is similar with lion, zebras, and jaguar. Tiger's black sprites are the circus of tigers. Tiger sprites is they from after born and growth. Tigers his body is long. Tiger's feet are laty, white and big sprites in the center of tiger back. Male tiger have strong jaw and long canines. Tigers' fingernails are highly developed, especially tiger's thumb. All are strong. Tigers usually hide in the nail.